Black Friday, Walmart. A 20-year-old cashier is pulled into a back room because the store says she's been skimming cash from the register on camera. But what starts as a workplace theft investigation spirals fast into resisting arrest, an ambulance call, and a totally unexpected discovery in her purse. Stay to the end, because the real reason this case blows up isn't the money. It's what she does after she's caught.
All right, Deja. So they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register, putting it in your pocket.
Money? Where?
Yeah. They got you on camera.
And my money.
Okay, can you take that out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Our suspect can be seen here pulling out some questionable cash from her vest pocket. Let's see what happens next.
Let's see it real quick.
Do you have anything else in your pockets?
No, sir. I mean, no, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead and place your items right there. I'm gonna have you turn and face the wall right here. I'm gonna pat you down. You got nothing on you?
Which pocket did she put
Take
in?
put your hands behind your head, or like
This one?
not behind your head.
Police identify the cashier as 20-year-old Daja Holly. Walmart employees claim she stole money from registers multiple times. Investigators
What I'm going to need you to do is write a statement about why you have this money and explain to us what has happened on these previous days.
How can I know what happened if it looked like I'm taking money out of the drawer?
I'm just letting you know, it's all in video, okay? So I need you to write a statement about what has happened with this money that we have missing from your registers that you've been on. Okay?
Like, what do I'm confused. What do
So you right?
I hear him.
Okay.
I hear him.
Okay.
Okay?
Like, y'all gonna make me mad. I'm being calm right now because I'm trying to see what's
Okay.
going on.
Okay?
I'm confused. Can I put my stuff back up here
No,
now?
just leave him up there.
This is my that I bought for my mom.
Okay,
Okay,
just
ma'am,
write
listen.
the statement.
We're gonna.
This is
keep your
my stuff
out.
though. What y'all
Okay, right now you're in
mean?
custody, okay? So I need you to
Custody
get
for
your
what?
stuff out. All right, just write the statement. That's fine.
Like, this is my stuff I bought with my money. Why
Okay,
can't I
so
put
then
it back
write
in
that
my-
on the statement.
I
so that
am.
we can, okay, you don't need to yell at me. Do what they're
I'm
told
grown
you to
as
do.
hell. Don't talk to me how I'm not talking to you. I'm talking
Okay,
to you how
right now
calm.
you're still at work, so you're gonna
I
do
know
what
that.
work's gonna ask
I
you to do. And is to write that
I
statement.
am, but
So
let
you're-
them, my people, the people that I'm working for, let them talk to me, please.
Okay,
Y'all
well,
don't
they
have
called
to.
us to assist, so now we're here. So now you're gonna write that statement.
Y'all putting on, like, come on, man. But I'm not talking to
You're
you.
not
I'm
gonna
talking
see
to
it.
him.
I'm telling you what's happened, okay?
Okay, but like, what?
Seen on
How
video,
am I?
taking money from the registers and putting it in your
So
vest
that's
pocket.
what y'all seen,
Okay?
and that's what I didn't do.
Okay. Well, it's on video.
Okay, I want
It's
to
on
see the video.
Well, I'm telling you. I'm telling you it's on video. Okay?
It's okay. I don't want to write no statement.
I don't come here just to look at videos.
So what
and just
y'all
watch.
finna do?
Arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah. So you're gonna do what they told you to do. Is get back. On
Why is
the
y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal
Okay,
anything.
just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal. Like, I'm not even from out here.
Can you work for it?
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my. I gotta get my stuff.
You're under arrest.
Bro, I'm not even out here. I'm still.
Stop it.
Okay. I'm telling you. Okay. You just broke my. Okay. Can I turn around?
Arm.
Stop resisting.
You want to get tased? You want to get tased? Get on the ground. Give me your hands.
Put your hands behind your back or I'm gonna tase you.
You're hurting me!
Fine.
No, he's hurting me! Oh, y'all serious
Now
right
you're under arrest
now?
for resisting.
What you mean? I'm just finna turn around, y'all. Can I get my belongings? Can I get my belongings?
Our suspect notices her nail was broken in the scuffle when things take another turn.
I'm trying to, like, what the y'all just overdid it. Ooh, you just literally broke my.
32.
Oh, y'all serious? I'm short the out of y'all. What you mean?
Get against the ground.
I swear to God, y'all. Ooh, boy.
Stop resisting.
Y'all did this, bro. Y'all did this.
Just calm down.
Y'all been hurting me. Can I calm down, please?
Calm down.
I'm trying, bro. It burned.
Stop tensing up your hands.
It burned, man. Like, I'm not doing any. Y'all already got me in the handcuffs. Where can I go?
You're getting an ambulance to get checked out. Just calm down.
What? Like, that don't even make sense. Y'all hurt me and then put me in the ambulance. What?
You're bleeding. That's why you're getting.
Y'all did this, bro. After the fact,
Then why did you resist arrest?
I did it.
Okay.
I did it. I asked,
So
like,
you
can I
throwing the
get my
phone at her?
thing?
So you throwing your phone at
I
her?
did. Oh my granny, on my cousin
on
granny
video.
that's tatted on me, G.
It's on
I did
video.
not hit her.
Well, you're on a body camera, so.
Wait, y'all did all that. After the fact, I asked her politely, can I go in the back and get my thing?
Let's jump ahead. Officers arrive with those belongings she mentioned before.
John, you want to take that? Yeah, let's put it in your car.
I know.
Cool, sorry.
Look, you're good.
All this, man. All this, man.
He's got to make sure there's no weapons in it.
Did you catch that? In true Walmart fashion, let's roll that back. Police discover another $100 bill in the suspect's purse. And that's not all.
All this, man.
He's got to make sure there's no weapons in it.
Probably mace because I get on the phone.
That's fine.
And that's the locker. Y'all want y'all locker back? I mean, you have the locker.
Yeah.
ID in there?
No, she can do that.
No, I was saying, you got ID in your purse?
She's going on to Indiana.
No, that's not my ID. That's not my ID.
Where's your ID at?
It's with pink hair.
What is this one? Why you got Indiana?
It's my fake ID. Can I go through it myself?
Nope, you're in custody right now.
I'm trying to help you.
I found it. Pink hair. There you go.
No, you don't have to go through all my stuff.
I just gotta make sure there's no weapons.
Ain't
in
no
it. That's
weapons,
it.
ma'am. I don't do none of that. And you can put my IDs back in there.
Investigators look to recover that money found in the suspect's purse.
Was there another 100 in there?
There was.
That's mine. That is mine.
I didn't know
I
you
just
wanted
took
that.
I can show y'all the transaction that I just took my money out. My account.
Well,
That is mine.
when you go to
Literally.
court, when you go to court,
That is mine. I just took it out my transaction this
well,
morning.
guess what? The bank has transaction history and all that stuff.
Yes,
So,
and I
yeah.
can show
Okay,
y'all.
well, then you could print that out and bring it to court, and then you.
But that is.
We'll bring it too. We'll bring it too.
What you mean? Bring it. That is mine. I have a bill to pay, and that's why I took it out my transaction.
I've seen nothing else.
And as for those fake IDs,
Get it out of your bank account. You show that transaction. We got our videos.
What the fuck, bro?
Yep, so I'm taking them.
Oh, good. Yours and we'll get back to you. Okay,
I can't. How I'm gonna get
Charge
it back?
I
I'm
am.
confused.
So you have fake IDs.
Yeah, I do. I'm young. I'm 20 years old.
Okay. Well,
I like to party. I like to.
Yeah, but it's legal.
Okay, I don't give a. Y'all can throw them away. Y'all got my real ID.
oh no, then they're not getting thrown away.
Whatever y'all gonna do it, I'm getting charged with it.
You absolutely are. That's forgery.
Okay.
It's felony charges.
Okay. Okay.
You're not going to get a break sitting here fighting with officers.
I'm not fighting. I was never even fighting them. I asked them nicely, can I get my things? And he right here, he broke my nail at some most. And you
put
can,
your hands behind your back when he told you to?
Okay. I was right here. When I was right here, I got up. And that's when he did all this, everything. I don't have to lie about that.
That's fine.
He know what he did.
He knows.
Chicago police never.
Those IDs may be illegal, but they're actually pretty impressive to investigators.
Well,
I mean, these are pretty good.
all right, that car's gonna go into leads for DUI hold and for owner not being present. And then
I don't know. That one looks kind of fake, honestly.
It looks, I don't know.
You can tell it's fake because it's the picture. That's it.
I'll tell you this, getting into a bar, this isn't.
Yeah,
this
it's
is
probably,
fun.
yeah.
Oh, here.
I don't do nothing else with them but get in that. And I use my regular ID for everything else.
Sounds like our suspect may be checking out with more than just a theft charge. Before heading off to jail, the former cashier has one more trick up her sleeve.
Hey, you can't be on your watch.
I'm touching me, bro. I'm trying to touch my.
Calls once
Bro,
you get down
watch
to jail.
out. Don't
You'll
touch
be-
me.
you'll be
Don't
able to
touch
make calls
me.
once you
Leave
get-
me alone, bro.
Do I have to
Leave
take
me
off the
alone.
watch? Do I have to take off the watch?
Okay, bro. Leave me alone,
Okay,
bro.
stop getting on the watch.
I'm trying to test my whole mom.
You'll be able to make calls once you get
I
down
don't
to
have
jail.
to know. I can make a call now.
No, you can't.
What?
I don't think you understand that you're under arrest.
I don't give a you.
Okay,
Hope that's recorded.
it is.
Okay. And I bet you I get out.
No, you probably will. I'm not going to deny that.
Minutes later, officers arrive to escort Deja out.
All right, well, we're ready to transport you, so will you behave? Will you be good? Okay.
Hey, Lopez.
Did you park car?
Deja is led out to a patrol car, taken to jail, and booked for theft, aggravated assault on a peace officer, and resisting arrest. She later pled not guilty to the charges. That case is still pending.
Just watch your head, okay? I'm gonna put a seatbelt over you. Thank you.
Now that you've seen the full body cam footage, let's slow this down and separate facts from claims, because this case isn't just about what happened, but how it escalated. Here's what we know for certain. Walmart management reported that a cashier was seen on internal surveillance cameras removing cash from registers on multiple occasions. That's the reason police were called. Not speculation, not a hunch, but alleged video evidence reviewed by store staff. When officers arrived, the suspect, 20-year-old Deja, was already being questioned. Cash was found in her pocket. She claimed the money was hers. Police claim the store had video showing the money came from the register. At that point, this was still a workplace theft investigation. No force, no arrest yet. Just questions and documentation. What happens next is where things change. Deja repeatedly asked to see the surveillance footage. That request makes sense emotionally, but legally, officers aren't required to show video evidence on the spot. Instead, she was asked to write a statement. This is standard procedure. A statement doesn't mean guilt, it's simply her version of events. But she refused. She said she was confused. She said she couldn't explain something she wasn't allowed to see. Her frustration kept building, and the tone of the interaction changed. And this is an important detail. The moment police are called to assist store management, this stops being just an employee issue. Now, it's a law enforcement interaction, and different rules apply. When officers told her she was under arrest for theft, that was the second major turning point. At that moment, the outcome depended almost entirely on compliance. Officers gave clear, repeated commands. Remove the vest, put your hands behind your back, get on the ground. She didn't fully comply. She kept talking, turning, arguing, trying to control the situation. That hesitation, those few seconds, are often where cases spiral. A brief physical struggle followed. She was restrained. She suffered a minor injury to her hand and nail. Officers called medical personnel to document and treat it. From a legal perspective, this matters. Once resistance occurs, officers are legally allowed to use reasonable force to gain control. That's how a theft arrest turns into resisting arrest or even aggravated assault on an officer, not because of the original crime, but because of what happens during the arrest itself. After the arrest, officers did what they always do: inventory her belongings for safety and documentation. This isn't a search for evidence, it's a standard weapons and property check. That's when they found more cash. And then they found something far more serious: multiple fake IDs. At first she denied they were hers, then she admitted they were fake. She said she used them to get into bars. She said she was young. She said she liked to party. But possession and use of fake identification isn't harmless. In many states, it's considered forgery, a felony offense. So now, this case isn't just about alleged theft anymore. It's about resisting arrest. It's about assault on a peace officer, and it's about felony-level identification fraud, all discovered after the original incident. Daja insisted the money found in her purse was hers. She said she could prove it with bank transaction records. And here's the key detail many people miss. Police didn't argue that point. They told her to bring the proof to court. That's how the system works. Street-side debates don't override evidence. If you have documentation, the courtroom, not the back of a patrol car, is where it matters. This case didn't collapse because of the amount of cash. It collapsed because of escalation. If the theft allegation was false, the best outcome would have come from staying calm, writing a statement, and letting evidence speak later. If the allegation was true, cooperation might have limited the damage. Instead, emotion took over. Refusing to comply, arguing every instruction, turning a procedural arrest into a physical one. And that's the real lesson here. In bodycam footage across the country, we see the same pattern again and again. People don't get into the most trouble for the original offense. They get into trouble for what happens after they're confronted. To be clear, pleading not guilty is her right, and this case will ultimately be decided in court, not on YouTube. But the charges tell the story of escalation: theft, resisting arrest, aggravated assault on a peace officer, possession of fake identification. That's a long way from a single workplace accusation. 3 decisions could have completely changed this story. 1. Writing a statement calmly. 2. Complying immediately during the arrest. 3. Understanding that explanations belong in court, not in confrontation. None of those guarantee innocence, but all of them reduce risk. So now, we want to hear from you. Do you think this situation was handled appropriately by police? Or do you think things escalated unnecessarily? Drop your thoughts in the comments, but keep it respectful. We read every one. If you want more real bodycam breakdowns like this, focused on facts, law, and decision-making, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you think this case spiraled fast, wait until you see the next one, where a simple traffic stop turns into felony charges in under 5 minutes because of one sentence said at the wrong time. That video is already on the channel. Click it now, and we'll see you there.